Hello everybody, so today we are going to be making a McFlurry, and it's going to be an M&M McFlurry because that's the best kind. So our materials needed are going to be your dairy products first, which is milk and ice cream, a bit of vanilla ice cream, and preferably skim milk, then a measuring cup to put your fabulous product in, a straw to drink your fabulous product, a spoon to scoop it all in, and the fabulous product itself, which is M&M's, and then finally you need a blender. Okay, so first you take your ice cream. You want it to be a little soft, so you might want to thaw it out for a little while, and then you scoop it. Okay, put it into the measuring cup. We're almost at 1 cup, but you need 1 cup of ice cream. Okay, there we go. Open the blender. Put in your ice cream. Awesome. You're done with the ice cream. It's time for the milk. Now, milk, you normally want to put less milk than you put for ice cream, depending on how creamy you want it, and I don't like mine very milky, so I'm going to only put 1/2 of a cup. Open your blender once more. Pour in the milk. Now it's time for the best part. Depending on how chocolatey and how M&M-y you prefer your milkshake to be, is how many M&Ms you put in. So we're going to start off with 1/3 a cup. Actually, we're just going to put it in the whole bag. Okay, there we go. That's about the whole bag. And then you put on the lid to make sure it's secure so you don't have a mess, because that stinks. Now is the best part. Time for the blending. See how creamy it is? If I can get the lid off. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 5. And we are done. Now, this is the best part. You pour it into the cup. Yeah, buddy. Into the cup. And then you drink